Hi, I'm Nancy Weinstein. I am the founder and CEO of Mindprint Learning, and today I'm going to tell you about our cognitive assessment. So before you roll your eyes and say, no more data, we have too much data, we don't know what to do with it, I'm going to tell you why you don't necessarily have the right data. You have the academic data. You know how your students are achieving. And a lot of you are now working and moving forward and understanding you need to know the whole child. You need to know about grit and growth mindset and character traits. But what you probably don't have for the vast majority of your students is cognitive data. You don't understand their memory, their executive functions, their attention, their speed, their complex reasoning. 100 years of research says this is how kids learn, this is what we need to know about them, and this drives the other two things. And it's stable. So why, if we know for 100 years that this is what matters, why aren't we doing it? Because before now, we did not have the technology where we could affordably and efficiently assess every student. We work with Penn Medicine. It's our assessment's out of the Brain Behavior Lab. It was funded through an NIH grant. We can effectively assess every student's cognition in an hour. What do we do with that data? You know who needs help. But we match it with your achievement data to tell you why they need help and what type of help they need. We can chart this data for you by every academic topic and help you understand how to support those students with learning plans and research-based strategies that are linked to the student's cognitive profile. Where are we being used? We're used in classroom management, so whole classroom approach where we start at grade 2 and we go all the way up through higher ed. Those of you that do Universal Design for Learning, we work with UDL rockstar Katie Novak. We're doing professional development with her. Our workbook is coming out from Cast Publishing later this year. Growth mindset, that is the foundation of everything we do. We work with gifted programs. We do test prep as well, so we can bump up those test prep scores, and of course, RTI and MTT, multi-tiered system of support. So, that's it. Anyone have a question? Anyone?
Do you work at all with their parents? Because a lot of their learning comes from home, and also their parents know a lot about how their children learn, so that could probably help you a lot.
So we sell directly to schools, but we also sell directly to parents, and we also work with tutors. So the idea is that we do think you need a partnership. I mean, in the ideal world, we have parents working closely with teachers and the students because it is an ecosystem for students to succeed. All of our strategies, all of our approaches are designed to make it easy for the parent to support the child at home. So in our strategies and our learning plans that we create for every student, not only do we have teaching strategies, but we also have study strategies for the student to work through it as they get older, as well as parenting strategies. So the parenting strategies are, as you might guess, more targeted for younger students, but parents need to create a learning environment at home. So you have a kid with weak attention. If you don't have an organized desk space for them and a place where they can learn and keep the siblings away, they're not going to learn. It's got to be a partnership. So yes.